everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a corn chowder. Today's recipe is from 1964, and as always the full recipe will be in the description down below. Today's recipe is a Betty Feezor recipe, and if you don't know much about her, I'll give you a quick little sum up, but I will also leave links in the description for anyone who would like to learn a little bit more about her. She had her own TV show, The Betty Feezor Show, and it ran on WBTV for 24 years from 1953 to 1977. Her show was the first in the world to be video recorded in color on September 5th, 1958. Her show aired every weekday afternoon at 1 p.m. and she showcased everything from cooking, sewing, floral arranging, and also just homemaking tips in general. She's a wonderful lady, and I'm excited to share her recipes with you all. Today's recipe is really easy and quick. I'll go over a few different things I did with the recipe. First thing is the recipe calls for salted pork. If you have that, great. I just used bacon, it's what I had on hand, and I think it turned out fantastic. Also, you can use raw potatoes that you cut up, or you can go the route that I did. I use canned potatoes. I like how they look really uniform, and also it's really quick. If you decide to use canned potatoes, just make sure you give them a rinse just to knock off the canning liquid. When I tried the recipe at the end, the only thing I think I would change about this recipe is that instead of using a whole onion, I would probably only use half. I'm not a big onion person, and I found that the onion was a little too strong. But like I said, if you really like the taste of onion, then the whole onion is right up your alley. Just leave it all in there. And if you guys would like to enjoy cornbread with your corn chowder like you see here, make sure you check out my last video where I show you how to make a classic cornbread. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be reminded of when my videos come out. And as always, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time on Vintage Cookery.